that's the money shot right there. Oh my goodness. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Last video you saw me ceramic coat the Desmond Regamasters. Today we are going to be getting these lowering springs installed. I went with the Swift springs. I believe these are the most aggressive, stiffest springs that you can basically get without running coilovers. This is stock ride height right now with OEM wheels. I could fit like about 3 fingers, honestly 4 fingers. I'm guessing after the Swift springs, I could probably only fit 1.5. It'll significantly lower it. And of course, springs break in over time as well, so it will get lower from that point on. The reason I didn't go with coilovers is because I wanted to retain my 3 driving modes, so like comfort, sport, and R mode. I can't do that unless I like ball out on some coilovers that have the technology to support it. I think those coilovers are like $5,000 plus. And I don't really have that money right now. I only had a couple $100s to splurge on suspension, so I went with the lowering springs because if I can't get coilovers, that's the second best option I can get. So we're gonna get these installed, lowered, aligned, and hopefully then we can put the Regamasters on after 2 years of waiting. Let's go ahead and take it to the shop. This is the last official look of the Type R on stock wheels. And honestly, I don't hate these wheels, I just think they're kind of ugly. Like if Honda made 18-inch wheels or 19-inch from factory, I wouldn't mind them as much, but the fact that they're 20-inch, I don't really like. All right, so while my brother jacks up the car, got all my hardware laid out. Yeah, just it's a lot of stuff to keep track of, but all this. So let's get the car up and mount these wheels. That's it? What? The tires have been sitting for so long that they're all like 10 feet aside. Honestly, in the sun, the white blends really well with them. It's still on the creamier side, but overall, I'm really happy. This is how the car sits after a few weeks of the springs breaking in. With ceramic coating the wheels, they still get dirty, of course, but washing it off with just a quick rinse, the dirt just instantly just goes away. So that's really nice. The moment I tap my brakes, it just gets filthy. But that's white wheels. You know, I knew what was gonna happen going with this color, but yeah, this looks incredible, and just the fitment is so nice. Drivability with the springs, I don't know, feels the same, honestly. Like, it's a little bit stiffer, but nothing crazy. Of course, with the springs installed, it's recommended that you cut a little bit off the bump stops. I think it's like the first notch or something. If you don't, then it's gonna get a little bumpy. But yeah, if you cut the bump stops, it basically feels the same. Just a little bit stiffer, but nothing too crazy. So this is the finished product here, and holy dude, this thing looks wicked. I'm trying not to talk too loud because all my neighbors are asleep and my car is loud enough, but dude, under the light, this looks so good. Let me kill a fog light so it just looks all white. Yeah, that's the money shot right there. I can't get over it. Especially just from this angle with the aero flap, just the lowered look with the white wheels. Oh gosh. From the side and the rear, it looks quite low too. Like, that right there at night almost looks like wheel defender or tire defender. I'm basically done with this car for the season. over winter. There's a couple more aero mods I'd like to do, but I'm just kind of focused on getting it to FBO now. I'm gonna tuck it away for the night. I just can't get over it, man. It looks so good. Something to keep in mind, if you're gonna be lowering your Type R, always get it aligned after. And when it comes to your alignment, the fronts you can get to OEM specs, but you can still run adjustable ball joints. For the rears, you're almost 100%, most definitely going to need camber arms. The OEM ones max out at -2.5 degrees of camber. There's a bunch of different types of camber arms. There's RV6, there's Blad Motorsports, SPC, White Line. Yeah, lots of great options, but unfortunately, I didn't really think about it. Learn from my mistakes, and if you're gonna be lowering your car, definitely get the rear camber arms. It's gonna make a world of a difference for your alignment. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.